Okay. Thank you, Alekhya. Thank you, Monica. So, guys, we'll start the session.
Recording in progress.
Okay, guys. So, once again, very good evening, everyone. I hope you all are well, guys. Yes. So, we'll start the session. Meanwhile, your remaining friends also will join. Okay. So, guys, if you'll be facing any difficulty in my voice or else in a screen, please let me know at any of the time. Okay. So, tell me, guys, what is your today's topic? Anyone knows? Yes. What is your today's topic? What we are going to learn in this session? Okay. Rajsekhar is saying the least, right? Okay, Dinesh, tuple, very good. So, guys, in previous classes, we already completed till least, right? Yes, very good. Yes, Vamsi, list is completed. Yeah. Okay, so till least, we already completed, guys. Okay, so what is your today's topic? Your today's topic is tuple, as well as we'll complete today about the string and different methods regarding the string. Okay, so what is your today's first topic is? So today's first topic is, guys, tuple. So guys, what is tuple? Tell me. What is tuple? Yes, anyone? Yes, guys, what is tuple? Okay, tell me what is the identity of your list? Okay, very good, Vamsi. Collection of items in a parenthesis which are immutable. Very good, superb answer, right? So guys, what was the identity of your list? The very basic identity of your list was, it was your square bracket, right? Also, your list was belongs to mutable or immutable type, guys? Yes? List was mutable or immutable? Very correct. It was a mutable. Mutable stands for, guys, changeable. Immutable means not changeable, right? We already saw in the previous classes, right? So whenever the data type is belongs to the mutable data type, you can able to do any changes in that, even after creation also, right? But if your data type is immutable, you can't able to do any changes in that, right? So guys, now we are going to learn about our today's topic, which is tuple, right? So here you can able to see, guys, your tuple is as same as similar to your list in Python, right? So both are, guys, sequential, both are index based data structure. But what exactly the difference between tuple and list is? Your tuple, okay, so coming to the first, we'll discuss about the list. Your list is a mutable data type. Okay, your list is a mutable data type, means once you create your list, you can able to do any changes in that. After creation also, there is a possibility to do any changes in a list data type, right, guys? As well as if you want to represent your list, so you are having the square brackets available, or else you can create your list using your list predefined function, which we already saw in your classes, right? Now if I'm talking about the tuple is an immutable data type. Okay, your tuple is a immutable data type, means once you will create your tuple, after that if you wanted to change any item present in the tuple, or else if you wanted to delete the items present in the tuple, there is no possibility to change that, right? And coming to the tuple, guys, tuple, for representing the tuple, we are having the parenthesis, or you can say the normal circle bracket. This is what the difference between your list and tuple. Right, guys? So once again, I'll quickly revise. Your tuple is as same as your list. Both are sequential, which will be working in a sequence. And guys, both are indexed based data structure. Means both are having the locations or indexing available. Okay, tell me, guys, your positive indexing will start from which location? Very good. Very good, Vamsi. Very good, Bharat. Right? Your positive indexing will all very good, Dinesh. Your positive indexing will always start from zeroth location, from the front end, and your negative location will always start from the back, from the minus 1th location. Correct. So, guys, both least as well as the tuple, both are a sequential as well as the indexed based data structure. If you're talking about the least is a mutable data type. Okay, instead of that, your tuple is immutable. Okay, if your least will uses the square brackets, but your tuple will uses the normal circle bracket, guys. Okay, now here we will see how to create the tuple, guys. Okay, as you already knows how to create the tuple, it's very simple. I took one variable t. It's not like, guys, you have to take the variable t only. Any variable you can take, your choice. Here I took one variable t. Here I'm passing my normal circle bracket, or you can say the parenthesis to my t. When I printed my t, what I got the answer? I got the answer as a, I got the answer what? One normal circle bracket or one normal parenthesis, which is nothing but called as empty tuple, right? So here we have created one tuple which is empty. Now this time, guys, we'll create one tuple with a homogeneous element. Homogeneous means what, guys? The data which is belongs to the same data types, okay, or the element which is belongs to the same data type, right? So here I created my tuple which will be having a value 1 comma 2 comma 3, and all the three values are belongs to the integer data type. So when you print that t, guys, what you got? One tuple with a homogeneous element, right? Now this time, guys, we will create one tuple with a heterogeneous element. Is heterogeneous means, guys, there will be different data type. It may integer, it may string, it may float, right? So there will be a heterogeneous element. So here, guys, I have created my tuple with a different data types. One is integer, one is string, one is my float, one is again I kept as an integer. Okay, so this is what I created my tuple with heterogeneous elements. Now here you can able to see another two things which we already saw in the least topic, right? So first, guys, we will see about this. Okay, t is equal to, see, first of all, I called my predefined method, which is tuple, guys. Okay, which will help you to give the normal parenthesis. This is the identity of your tuple is. Okay, later inside of that, what I did is I called my input function. What is the use of that input function? As you know, we can able to take input from user. Okay, on the after taking input from user using input function, I applied the function which is split. Okay, which same we did at the time of least as well, guys. Okay, so here you can able to see, guys, I took a three inputs, 1, 2.5, Python. This is what I took from user. Okay, this is what I took from user using my input function, on which I applied my split function. Okay, so when you applied the split function on this inputs, how you got the answer? 1 comma 2.5 comma Python. And guys, using this predefined function tuple, we got one circle bracket, which is what the identity of your tuple is. Okay, in this way, guys, whenever you wanted to take or whenever you wanted to create a tuple while taking input from user, directly you can call your input function, on which you can apply your split function, so that it will be separated and your tuple will going to get created. Okay, now here you can able to see the next thing, guys. T is equal to, here I called my predefined function which is tuple. Okay, and here I called my method which is map method. What is the use of your map method? Okay, map method will help you to give a sequence to that values, right? So here what was there, here I was having the value which is 1 2 3, which was present in a single quote. Okay, what I did is I converted my 1 to 3, which was present in a single quote, into the integer format. Now, how is it looking like? How is it looking like? Now it is looking like 1 2 3, but without single quote, right? Now, using this map method, what we are doing is we are converting this 1 2 3 into the sequential format. How it will look like now? 1 comma 2 comma 3. And using this predefined function tuple, we got one tuple. Everyone clear with this? Any doubt, guys? Okay. Yes. Vamsi, Bharat, what happened? Is it clear or any difficulty? Yes, everyone. Clear? Okay. So what we can do now, guys? Okay, I'll quickly share my ideal shell screen as well. I wanted to show you one more thing. Yes, sure, Sakit. Sure, Karthik. I'll repeat. Okay, so what we can do now, we'll see all the things over here in ideal shell. It will be even easy for you as well. Okay. So this is what, guys, my Python compiler is. Just a minute. Guys, can you able to see the compiler over here in your screen? Is it visible? Now check once. Yes. Okay. So guys, once again, we will see how to create the tuple. So guys, here I took one variable, let's say t. When I wanted to create the tuple, what is the identity of the tuple is? It's normal parenthesis. Okay. I assign that normal parenthesis to my t variable. When I will print my t, guys, what will you be getting? You will be getting what? One empty tuple. Here you can able to see the output, guys, in blue color. Okay. Now we will create one tuple with a homogeneous data type. Homogeneous means what, guys? Yes, very good. Homogeneous means the data which is belongs to the same data type. So here I'm creating my tuple with a homogeneous element, and when you will print that t, you can able to see, guys, okay, your tuple created with a homogeneous value, and all the data belongs to the same data type, which is integer, right? Now this time, guys, we'll create the tuple with a heterogeneous value. Heterogeneous means different data type. I'm taking one integer, I'm taking one float. Later, I'm taking one VJIT as a string, guys. So here what we took is we took the different data types. Means in this way, we created my tuple with a different or heterogeneous data type. Okay. Now, guys, we will see about the input function. Okay. So here, guys, I took one variable t. This time, guys, what am I doing is I am calling my predefined method, which is tuple. So guys, first I will show you, either you can create your tuple directly giving this bracket, or else you can create your tuple using predefined method tuple. See, if I wanted to print my t, you can able to see you will be getting one empty tuple. Okay, so either you can create your tuple like this while directly assigning the parenthesis, or else you can create your tuple while using your predefined method tuple. Okay, now this time, guys, I wanted to create my tuple, but while taking input from user. So what am I doing is, everyone be focused here. I'm calling my method first of all tuple, which will help me or which will give me the parenthesis, which is what the identity of your tuple is. Inside of that, guys, I'm calling my input function. What is the use of your input function? Input function will take input from user. Now, after taking input from user, I'm applying my method called split method, which will separate out all the values, right? So now here you can able to see they're asking me some inputs from user. So let's say, guys, I'm taking some inputs like this 3, 4, 8.9, then VJIT. Okay, this is 4. I took input 3, 7, 8.9 VJIT. I'll take one more input, let's say Yamin. Okay, now what I wanted to do is I wanted to print my 3. So what answer will you be getting, guys? See, using this input function, you took input from user, which was 3, 7, 8.9 VJIT and Yamini, on which we applied the split method. Now this all inputs will going to get separate out, and using this predefined function tuple, you will be getting a parenthesis, which is what the identity of your tuple is. Here you can able to see, guys, we took input from user, it is separated using the split function, and we got this circle bracket using the tuple predefined function. Okay, now we will see about the map function, guys. So here, guys, I'll call my method, which is tuple method, or tuple, you can say predefined function. Inside of that, I'm calling my method, which is map method. Now what we are doing is I wanted to convert my string data type, which is 1, 2, 3, into the integer. Okay, so here, guys, how this function exactly will work? We are converting this 1, 2, 3, which was acting as a string, As you know, anything present in single quote or double quote will be acting as a string, right? So we are converting this 1, 2, 3, which is acting as a string into integer. After converting, how it will look like? It will look like 1, 2, 3 only, but without single quote. Because now we converted string into integer, right? And after that, guys, using this map method, it will be present in a sequence 1, 2, 3, okay? And using that predefined function tuple, you will be getting the parenthesis, which is nothing but the identity of your tuples. Is that clear, guys, everyone? Yes, everyone. Please let me reply. Is that clear, everyone? How to create the tuple, how to use the input method? Yes, remaining students? Okay, very good. That's great response, guys. Very good. So now we'll move to our next page. Please tell your remaining friends also to join, guys. Okay, so guys, I hope you can able to see the PPT screen, right? So now we will see how to access elements in tuple, guys. So guys, here we will see how to access elements in a tuple. So as everyone knows, your location or indexing in Python will always start from positive location, as well as we are having the negative indexing available, right? So your positive indexing will always start from front end, from 0th location, as well as your negative indexing will always start from back, from -1th location, right? So here you are having one tuple, guys, in that you are having the value 10, Python, 42.31, true, and 20. Okay, just tell me, guys, what is present on 4th location? Yes, everyone, what is present on 4th location? Yes, tell me. It is 20. Very good. Okay, tell me -3, -3rd location. Very good. -4th location. Very good, right? So guys, in this way, you can able to access your positive indexing as well as the negative indexing. Positive indexing always starts from front, from 0th location, guys, and negative indexing always starts from back, from -1th location. Okay, here you can able to see this is what I created my tuple while applying my parenthesis over here. This is what the identity of your tuple is, right? What I wanted to print is, I wanted to print T of first location. What is present on T of first location, guys? As you everyone knows, your indexing will start from 0th location, right? 0, 1, 2. Okay, this is what my 3 is. So when I wanted to print my T of first location, the value present on T of first location is 2.34. Here you can able to see output, guys. Next, T of third location. What is present on T of third location? Okay, the value which is 60. Right, here you can able to see the negative indexing. As you know, guys, negative indexing will always start from back, from -1. So this is -1, this is -2, this is what -3, and then this is my -4th location. So when I wanted to print my T of -1, what is present on -1? It is, sorry, this one is -1, guys, 4. Okay, so when I'm on, and this one is -2. Here two separate values are there. This is -2, this is -3. This is what -4 is, and this is your -5th location. Okay, and this 4 you can able to, you can see over here, this is my -1. Okay, so when I wanted to print my T of -1th location, I got the answer which is 4. Next, when I wanted to print my T of -4th location, I got the answer what is present on -4, 2.34. Okay, now this time you can able to see, guys, I wanted to print my T of 5th location. Do we have T of 5th location data available, guys, in tuple? Let me know. Do we have T of 5th location data available? No, we don't have it. Then what will you be getting? You will be getting the error, which that error is nothing but called as least, sorry, not least. That error is nothing but called as tuple index out of range. The error which we saw in least, it will be same in tuple also, guys. Whenever you wanted to print the data or which is not present on that location, Okay, whenever you wanted to print the location data which is not present, you will be getting the error which is least index out of range. Okay, this is what guys, negative as well as the positive indexing in Python. Okay, now we'll see guys how to modify and delete a tuple. So you know what guys, as you everyone knows, your tuple is an immutable data type, right guys? Your tuple is immutable data type. Hence the value cannot be changed in the tuple. Okay, everyone be focused here. Your tuple is an immutable data type. Means if you wanted to do any changes related to items present in the tuple, that is not possible. Okay, so as your tuple is immutable, so guys here you can able to see I created one tuple which will be having the value 1 comma 2.34 comma Python comma 65 comma 4. When I want, what I wanted to do is, okay, you first tell me guys what is present on T of first location in this tuple. Tell me what is present on T of first location in this tuple. The value is 2.34. Very good, superb answer, right? What I wanted to do is guys, I wanted to change my 2.34 with the value 6.25. What you are thinking? Can we able to do changes? Yes. No. Why? Because your tuple is an immutable data type, right? Your tuple is what? Your tuple is immutable data type. So there is no yes. Very good. Okay, because it is immutable. Immutable means unchangeable. So when I wanted to do changes, when I wanted to change my T of first location data, which was 2.34 with the 6.25, when I later printed that tree, I printed that T, I got the error which is tuple object does not support the item assignment. Means you can't able to do changes or you can't able to edit the items available in the tuple once you created. Okay, this is what called as guys tuple is immutable. We can't able to change the items present in the tuple. Okay, same here. What I wanted to do is, okay, see, tuple, if you wanted to delete your whole tuple, that is possible guys. Okay, so if you wanted to delete, tuple can be deleted by using the del keyword guys, the way we used to delete the list guys. So here I have created one tuple which will be having the value 1 comma 2 comma 3. When I wanted to delete my t, I use the keyword called del t, and later when I wanted to print my t, okay, I got the error name t is not defined. You know what, I gave one example in your class. If a person is already died, we can't able to see that person in a reality, right? As same as guys, here I have created my tuple, but when I deleted my tuple using my del keyword, okay, it is already deleted, it is now not in existence. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to print that t, so I'm getting the error. Why? Because that tuple which was initially present, now that tuple is not in existence. So you will be getting the error which is name t is not defined because it is successfully deleted. Any confusion guys? No, I think few are having still confusion, if I'm not wrong. Okay, that ma'am, just now you said your tuple is a immutable data type, guys. We can't able to do changes in that. So ma'am, how you can able to delete the tuple, ma'am? So guys, I'll clear your doubt first of all. See, once you created your tuple, if you wanted to change any item present in the tuple, let's say like this. Here I wanted to change my T of first location with the value 6.25. That is not possible. Even if you wanted to delete del of T of first location, that is not possible guys. But if you wanted to delete your whole tuple, that is possible. Okay, what they are saying here, you can able to see the definition of tuple is immutable data type. Hence the value cannot be changed in the tuple. We can't able to change the separate value present in the tuple once you created, but we can able to delete your whole tuple at a time, but we can't able to do any changes with a single value. This is what called as tuple is immutable. I hope your doubt clear guys. Okay, yeah, that's great guys. Where are the girls? I can't able to see the girls noise in session. So guys, on the basis of this tuple basics, you have to solve this MCQ. Let me know what will be the answer guys. Okay, integer tuple. Okay, as per whatever you are thinking, okay, you are thinking like it is integer, ma'am. So I'll tell you one reason, guys. What is the first I wanted to show you answer for this question. Everyone check why the answer is this one. You know what, guys? If I will do t is equals to 1, okay, I'll show you an ideal shell. You'll be getting better idea. See here, everyone. So, guys, I hope you can able to see the ideal shell, right? So, guys, consider, I want to ask one question to you. T is equals to 1. I want to print type of my T. As you know, type function will help you to give the data type of the data, right? Now, tell me what is the answer. Type of my 1. Definitely the answer will be what? The answer will be, ma'am, answer will be class integer. Okay, this time what we are doing in MCQ is, first I will use my parenthesis, which will help you to give the tuple identity. Okay, so guys, when I wanted to print the type of my T, of course, as you know, the answer will be tuple only, ma'am. But I'll tell you guys, when you will perform this operation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's say, even if you are not using that bracket, it will consider as a tuple only, guys. Yes. Yes, Vamsi, I gave 1 in type. Yes, sorry. We have to give T, right? Just a minute. I'll show you, Vamsi, just a minute. So here you can able to see, guys, even if you are giving your data without bracket, but it is not acting as an integer because we are not giving the single value. Integer means you are giving the single value, guys. Okay, here you are giving more than one value. So when you wanted to print that T, even without your parenthesis also, you will be getting the class which is tuple only. Please note down this point if you are having confusion. And Vamsi, just a minute, I will show you that also. I have declared T is equal to 1. I wanted to print the type of my T. What will be the answer, guys? What will be the answer type of T? Here it is integer. This is what the difference between your integer, guys, and your tuple. So just to note down this 2 point, guys, even if you are using the bracket, even if you are not using that parenthesis, your answer will be tuple because it is not a single value. We are having more than one value which we are assigning to that T variable. Is that clear? Why the answer is tuple? Okay, just note down this, guys. It will help you while solving any MCQ. Fine? Yeah. So, guys, now I'm again going back to the PPT. I hope PPT screen is visible to you all. Okay, guys, this is what our MCQ was, which we completed. If any difficulty, guys, you can ask me. No issue. Now solve this question and let me know what will be the answer. Yes, everyone solve this question and tell me the answer. Okay, Rohit is saying answer is B, ma'am. Fine. Anything else, guys? Bharat Kumar answer is C. Akshat answer is A. Rohit C. Priya answer is C, ma'am. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'll show you first answer. Okay. What is the answer, guys? It is type error. You know what? Why the answer is type error? No, ma'am. C. Okay, tell me, everyone. Yes, very good, Rohit. Your tuple is which data type, guys? It is immutable, na? Right? No, Bharat, this is not the reason. No index number. This is not exactly the reason. You can't say that. But I'll tell you. You know, your tuple is an immutable data type. Just now we saw how to modify the tuple. When I wanted to change my T of 0th location value with another, okay, I can't able to do that. Okay, I can't able to do the changes in that. So here what I wanted to do is, as you already know, this is what my tuple data type is. Okay, I wanted to change my T of 0th location with the value 0. Okay, so I'm getting the error. Just now we saw that error. Yes, Vamsi, because both variable points to the same address, it is tuple only. So we So we can't change. Okay, yes, Vansi, you can say like that. Okay, or else in simple language, you simply keep in mind this. So tuple is a immutable data type. Even if you wanted to do changes, we can't able to do that. Okay, this is the reason we will be getting the error, which is type error. We can't able to do changes in the tuple because tuple is a immutable data type. Is that clear, guys? Okay, everyone clear with this? Okay, good, guys. Now we will see some tuple methods, guys. Here you can able to see your first method is index. These method we already saw in class, guys, when I taught you about the list. So here I'm having the tuple. In that I'm having some value 1, 2.5, high, and 40. What I wanted to print is I wanted to print t, okay, which is the variable we assign for the tuple, t dot index of high. Tell me on which location your high is present. Yes, everyone. On which location your high is present? This is 0th. First, and one more thing, guys. Index method will always give you the positive indexing only, not a negative. Okay, you keep in mind. Okay, consider it is like this. I'm adding few more values. What is the location of your high now? Tell me. 1, 2.5 high, 40 high. Is it 4th? You know, I told you one thing at the time of list. Okay, whenever you will be working on indexing, yes, very good, Vamsi. Whenever you will be working on indexing, index method always return you the positive indexing, as well as even if you are having the repeating value available in your list or else tuple, okay, it will always give you the indexing of your first matched item, guys. It will always give you the indexing of your first matched item. Even you are having the high 2 times available, first on second location and another one on fourth location. See, it index method will always return the index of the first matched item, as you are having the high 2 times, but for the very first time where your high is present at which location? On second location. This is the reason you got the answer 2, second location. So index method, guys, always return you the positive indexing, as well as it will always return you the indexing of the first matched item, even if you are having the repeating value available. Okay, now we will see the count method, guys. Here count method will help you to check how many elements are present. Here I wanted to check the count of my 3. How many times 3s are present in tuple? 1, 2 and 3. So what is the count, guys? It is 3. Is that clear for everyone? Yes, everyone, please let me know. Is that clear? Index as well as count method. Okay, yeah. So count means, guys, simply counting the element. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever is it. And index will always return you the indexing of first matched item. So everyone solve this question. This is very good question, guys. Solve this and let me know the answer. Solve it one by one, guys, from back to front. Start from here and then solve one by one. Okay. So if you are saying answer is D, ma'am, some are saying answer is 2, some are saying answer is 1. Okay. No issue, guys. First, I will show you the answer. Everyone check whose answer is correct. See, guys, what is the answer? Answer is 2. Now, I'll explain you how the answer came to. See here, everyone. Here, I have to print this whole expression, right? So how will I start? I will start from this, from the very inner bracket. Now, first you tell me, we already saw the index method. T dot index of 51. Tell me, what is the indexing of 51? Okay, first tell me how many times 51 we are having? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. But what is the use of your index method? Index method will always return you the indexing of first matched item. Okay, so for the very first time, on which location you got 51? Second location, sorry, first location, right? So from this, what I got? T dot index of 51. I got the location which is 1. Now see here. 1 plus. This value is already present. 1. 1 plus 1. What is the answer, guys? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 it is? Yes. 1 plus 1. It is 2. Now, from this whole expression, what you got? From this whole expression, first T dot index of 51, you got the first match indexing, which is 1. And already 1 was present. 1 plus 1, it is 2. Now, we will solve outer bracket. T of, you got 1 plus 1, which is 2. Now, you tell me, guys, what is present on T of second location as per this tuple? What is present on T of second location? The value is 32. Now, we completed till this bracket also. We completed till this. Okay. On T of second location, the value which was present is 32. Okay. Now, we have only remained to solve only this much portion. So, T dot count of what you got from here on T of second location 32. Now, solve this. T dot count of 32. How many times 32 are there in tuple? How many times it is, guys? It is 2 times. Simple. What is the answer? 2. Is that clear? Every time, guys, whenever this kind of question will come, no, solve from back to front. First solve inner bracket, then little bit outer, then solve your final bracket. In this way, we got the answer true. Is that clear for everyone? Yes, guys? Okay. Good, guys. So now we'll see, guys, some different tuple built-in functions, which we already saw at the time of your list as well. So guys, here you are having your first function, which is sum. Okay. So here I'm having one tuple. In that I'm having some values 1, 23, 65, 12. So if I wanted to add all the element present in the tuple, simply you are having the tuple built-in function, sum of t. So if you will calculate whole sum, guys, 23 plus 1, 24. 24 plus 12, which is 36, guys, and 36 plus 65, it is 101. Next, you are having maximum function, guys, which will help you to give the maximum of your tuple. What is the maximum value from tuple? It is 65. Next, you are having minimum, guys. Minimum of tuple. What is the minimum value present in this tuple? It is 1. Is that clear, guys? Sum, max, minimum from the tuple, guys. Vamsi, first of all, we can't able to take string as well as integer at a time. If you wanted to use the all alphabets, okay, I already taught you at the time of list. If you wanted to check the maximum of small alphabet on the basis of your ASCII value, you will get it. But if you wanted to take a combination of your string as well as the integer, that is not possible. Okay. If you're having confusion, I will show you in ideal shell. Don't worry about that. Okay. So just a minute. Let me share you the ideal shell. Okay, so please guys, let me know ideal shell visible to you all or not. So here I'm going to create my tuple. Vamsi asked me one question, ma'am, please add integer as well as ma'am string. Okay, so let's say I will add one letter or alphabet, you can say, and I'm adding some string as well, like this. Okay, now what I wanted to check is I wanted to print my t. We'll check. Okay, so sorry, I wanted to print maximum of my t, max of my t. So we'll check is it will work or not. See what they are saying. Okay, not supported between instance of string and integer. If you wanted to apply the maximum, minimum, sum, this kind of method, first of all, sum will be working on the integer data type only. And coming to the maximum and minimum, guys, if you wanted to take a combination of string or you can say alphabets or integer both, you will be getting error. Here you can able to see the error, guys. Not supported between the instance of integer as well as string. Now, guys, if you wanted to check like this with all the alphabets, that is possible, guys. Let's say I'm taking some small letter. Okay, like this. So something like this. Now I wanted to check what? I wanted to print the maximum of my t, max of my t. What will be the answer? Tell me, guys. Yes. What will be the answer? Maximum of my t. It is J. Very correct. Okay, let's say I wanted to check print minimum of my t. What is the minimum of your t, guys? Tell me. Okay, here it is a. Now one more thing I wanted to show you. If let's say I will take some capital letter, also some small letter, guys. I already show you the same thing at the time of your you can say list as well, guys, if you have remember. So this is what I created, one tuple which will be having capital letter as well as the small letter. I wanted to find out the maximum of my t. Tell me what will be the answer, guys? You are saying F will be the answer, G will be the answer. See, your answer is what? G, small g. You know what I told you at the time of list only? Okay, tell me what is the ASCII value for small letters? Small, what is the ASCII value for small a? Yes, it is 97. And okay, small a. Yes, guys, for small a, what is the value? It is 65, na? And for capital letter, it is 97. Yes? Yes. Small a, it is 97. Okay. Your confusion will go on. I wanted to print minimum of my t. You tell me what will be the answer. Minimum of my t. See everyone, what will be the answer? I'll show you. I wanted to print minimum of my t. Answer is capital A. Okay. See, don't be confused, everyone. Capital letter will start from 65. Small letter will start from 97. Okay. So this is the only reason when I wanted to check the minimum of my tuple, I got the capital letter because capital letter ASCII value is small as compared to my small letter. Okay. And when I wanted to check the maximum of my t, so as you already know, capital letter will not come for maximum because capital letter ASCII value is small as compared to small letter. So coming to the small letter a and g is there, and compared to a and g will be having the maximum value. Okay, as per the ASCII. This is the only reason we will be getting the answer like this. Is that clear, guys? If you wanted to check the combination of capital and small, it is totally working on the basis of your ASCII value. Is that clear, everyone? Clear? Very good. That's great. And also, I hope your doubt clear. We can't able to take the string as well as integer at a time when you wanted to check maximum, minimum, and all. Okay. Now we will see some more tuple built-in functions. Okay, guys. So next we will see all, any, and length. First, we will see about the length function, guys. Length function will always return you the length of that tuple. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when I wanted to print the length of my t, what will be the answer, guys? Answer will be 4. And about all and any, whatever the rule I told to you at the time of your list, it will be as same, guys. So what I told to you for all function will return the true if all value present in the tuple are non-zero. Okay, but if you will check this tuple, okay, here all values are not a non-zero. So when I wanted to check all of my t, I got the answer which is false. Okay, see, there are two rules for all which I told you at the time of list. It is same applicable in tuple as well, guys. All function will give you the output true if all element present in the tuple are non-zero. Non-zero means yes, very good, Pamsi. All means and, any means or. Okay, so guys, non-zero means negative, positive both, but it should not be zero. And all function also will give you the answer true, guys, if your tuple is empty. Okay, now any means, guys, it is working like a or. If any one of the element, if at least one element is non-zero, it will give you true. Okay, and for empty list, it will give you false. So here you can able to see, guys. Here all elements are non-zero. So the answer which I got is true. Okay, you tell me, as you already know about the all and any function, what is the answer for this, true or false? What is the answer, guys? 0, 0, 0, 0. I wanted to check any. The answer is true or false for any. Okay, everyone check it and tell me your answer. Okay, just give me 2 minutes, guys. Okay. So here you can able to see, guys, what will be the answer for this. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? So as you know, any function will help you or any function will give you the answer 2. Okay, if at least one bit is non-zero, at least one bit is non-zero. But I wanted to check 0, 0, 0, 0. So here no bit is not even at least one bit is non-zero, guys. So what will be the answer? The answer will be false only, no? Right? Okay, tell me one more thing. 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. Answer will be true because here we are having at least one bit. See, more, at least one bit. Maximum bit may anything, doesn't matter. But at least it should be one bit non-zero. Okay. So the answer for NA is true. Okay. Same for all. Tell me, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will be the answer for all? True. Very good. Empty list. What will be the answer? Empty list. True. Okay. Empty list for any, guys. What will be the answer? Very good. Super. That's great, guys. Okay, so these all are your tuple built-in function, guys. Okay, sum, maximum, minimum, all, any, length. Is that clear for everyone? Yes. Okay, guys, that's great. So now this is the small match the pair for you guys. Everyone solve it fast just for your revision. Solve it, everyone. Okay. Okay, everyone tell me at a time, what is the maximum of t? What is the maximum of t out of this? Maximum it is 15. Very good. Minimum? Very good. What is sum? Sum, guys. Very good. Okay, what is the length? What is the length? It is 5. Now I wanted to check all of my tuple. All function will give you the true if all the value present in the tuple is non-zero, right? So if I wanted to check the all of my t, here one value is 0. So the answer will become what? False. Now, any of my t, any means at least one bit should be non-zero. So any means it will become true. Is that clear for everyone? So here you can able to see all the answers, guys. Okay. Shall I move, guys? Yes, everyone. Shall I move? Okay. Yeah. So guys, next we will see, okay, one more MCQ for you all. Solve it, guys, and tell me the answer. Okay, if you are saying answer is C, error. Okay, some are saying answer is 4, ma'am. See, what we are doing is, guys, we are having one tuple available. We are concatenating the tuple, guys. Okay, initially we are having 1, 2, 3. Okay, next we are having, guys, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you will add your t plus t1, what will be the answer? Length of t2? You are saying answer is 4, ma'am. Okay, why the answer is 4? Nested tuple. Okay, you are having confusion, huh? Okay, let me show you the MCQ, guys. Okay, everyone see here, guys. Just a minute. Just 2 minutes, guys.